In today's video, I'll be showing you what you need to do to be eligible for the Memefi token airdrop. So watch this video till the end and don't skip any parts, and you'll be learning a lot from it. Now without further ado, let's get to the steps. And the first thing you need to do, if you haven't started mining Memefi coin yet, then click on the description box below and you will find the link. Just click on it where you'll be redirected to this Telegram bot, and then you can start mining it. So once you started mining the Memefi, you open it. Once you are here, click on play and then you allow it to open. As you can see, this is my Memefi coin. It has opened. So to be eligible for this airdrop, you need to create a wallet in the Memefi bot inside the game here. Now to do that, click on wallets here. Now I have created my wallet, but as a new user, what you see is login or create new wallet. If you haven't created a wallet yet, you click on create new wallet, and if you have, then you log in with your passphrase or your private key. You can use any of it to log in. Now once you've logged in, this is what it will show you. So this is the Memefi wallet. Okay, so at least you need to deposit $1 to $2 worth of Ethereum, which is in the linear network. So you will need to have Ethereum of at least $2, and you will need to send it here. So this is what you need to do. First of all, you click on deposit, and as you can see here, it is written deposit Ethereum, which as you can see in bracket linear. Understand? So now you copy the address. This is the address here. I just clicked, and as you can see, copy to clipboard. I can either scan it also to send it, but I prefer copying it. As you can see, they say how to get linear Ethereum. Find your in-game wallet address in above. Start with 0x. Number 2, go to crypto exchange, either OKS or any other one of your choice, but for this video I'll be using Bybit. And then number 3, paste the copied address above and click send. Confirm transaction. Okay, so this is it. Now I have copied my address, so I'll be going to my Bybit. So this is my Bybit. Please make sure you have at least some USDT in your Bybit account or any other exchange. So now this is my Bybit here. Okay, now once I'm here, I'll go to assets. Well, if you don't have, you can message me on WhatsApp if you want to buy some Ethereum or some USDT for this transaction. So this is my Bybit here, and now I'll go to assets, and I have $5.77 here. So what I'll do now is to convert it. It's in USDT, so I'll convert it to Ethereum. I'm just gonna put Ethereum here, search it, and this is my Ethereum. Now I'll be converting let me just convert $3 worth. Okay, and now it will show me the words in Ethereum. So this is what I'll be getting, 0.000868829 Ethereum. Now I'll click on quotes and then confirm. Conversion completed. So I'll view my assets. This is the Ethereum. Now I'm just going to send it to my Memefi wallet. To send it, I'll click on withdraw. As you can remember, I have copied my address already from Memefi, but to be sure, I'll still go back there and copy it again. So I'm in the Memefi game. Now I'll still click on the Ethereum, then click deposit and copy the address again just to be sure. Now I'll go back to my Bybit. Since I've copied it again now and I've come back to my Bybit, I'll just click on withdraw and then input the address here. I'm just going to paste it into this box. Okay, so this is the most important part. Now you see this network, click on it and then choose linear network. Don't forget. So I have chosen the linear network and then input the amount you want to send. I just want to send $2 worth of Ethereum. So I'll be sending 0.006 into my Memefi wallet. Now I've inputted the amount I want to send. I've inputted the network and also my address, which is important. And now I'll click on withdraw. I'm just going to press confirm to confirm it, and then input my phone password and also copy my Google Authenticator code. So I've inputted all the necessary details. Now just click on confirm. After inputting and I confirmed, this is it. Withdrawal application submitted and it's in the process. So now I will just go back to my Memefi and wait for my withdrawal to land there. Okay, so guys, I'm in my Memefi right now. Just click on wallet and as you can see, the withdrawal has entered. It has landed in my wallet from Bybit. This is it here, $2.27 that I sent here. So this is it. I can reload it so you can see. So this is it, 0.006. If you could remember from the Bybit, I sent 0.006 and this is what is here. So this is how you will do it. And now the next thing is to wait for the distribution. So this is all you need to know for now. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you drop your comments, you like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your first time here. Thank you guys.